guys, this is me, the Velvet Locks, and I'm coming back with I guess an update video on my edges, just to let you know how my concoction hair growth oil is working. And I just wanted to show you how filled in they're getting. Now my edges are a little wet right now because I just washed my hair, but look at this. Now these are grays, so they look a lot lighter, but I have so much new growth. So much new growth. Now this side right here was my problematic side because this was a little bit more bolder than the other side. But look at this, you guys. This stuff is working. Okay? This plus my black seed oil and all the other stuff that I've been doing in my hair is working. Now being that it's in the front area, it looks thin. Okay, you don't really get to see the fullness of it because it's gray and it's in the front. So it kind of like camouflages to look like scalp, but it is not, you guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to show you a quick update on my edges. Okay. Just to let you see how much they are fuzzing up and filling in. Especially this side. It looks burgundy, so it's kind of looking full, but I'm telling you, you guys, it is full. Okay, it is full. It's filled in. My hair is growing back in that area that was like that forever. Okay, for a long time. So even if hair loss has been active for a long time, you can still get hair growth. Now look at this. I'm parting this so you can actually see. Okay? So you can actually see what I'm talking about. Now these are the newly grown edges that I'm sweeping right here. Okay? Newly grown edges. Newly grown edges, y'all. Okay? Newly grown. Look at this as I sweep this forward. Now you get to actually see that they're actually there and they're growing. They're longer. There wasn't anything there before. Nothing. But look. Okay? Look at that. This is all new hair growth. Okay? I would say within 2 months now, between the black seed oil and all of what I'm doing to my hair, this is working. Okay? So if you want to get an update video on what I've been using so far, I'm going to link it down below. But please, you guys, stay tuned for this right here because this is amazing. Amazing. It doesn't smell all that good, but it's amazing. All right, so I'm getting ready to wash my hair and I will see you soon.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all. Okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos. Okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.